Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you hear it? The sound in the neck, the sound in the vein. Vitian. Listen. Born into the dead, born into the chain, born with a collar humming inside of the brain. They call it a Vita tax, they call it the fee, but it's stealing the life right out of me. Working in the grinder, dust in my lung, speaking with a whisper, never with a tongue. Every hour I labor, every drop of sweat is a payment to the spires I can never forget. Can never forget. The hum never stopped. Oh, the hum, it's draining me dry. Under the shadow of a sterile sky, but there's a beast sleeping under the skin, waiting for the fire to finally begin. Not a monster, no, not a sin, just a man breaking out of the tin. Foreman walk by with a silver badge face, kick a little boy all over the place. Boy drop the crate, now the collar spark, draining out the light, leaving only the dark. Something snap inside like a bone in the hand. Heat rise up from the core of the land. My fingers start to shake, my vision go tight. The shadow inside me step into the light. It's not a plain privy unit, stand down where you stand, but the claws start to grow out the palm of my hand. Oh, the hum is draining me dry. Under the shadow of a sterile sky, but there's a beast sleeping under the skin, waiting for the fire to finally begin. Not a monster, no, not a sin, just a man breaking out of the tin. The panel burst open, the sparks fly like rain. The hum stop dead, no more pain, no more pain. He say you are a monster, you belong in the cage. I look at my hands, I look at my rage. The glass like back leave a scar in the palm, but the spirit inside me is finally calm. I tell him the truth before I run free. I'm not a monster, I'm just full, you see. Just full. Run now, down to the below, where the light don't reach but the blood still flows.